everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at an essential piece of audio equipment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The GELRHONR SpeakOn female to XLR male connector audio extension cable. This cable is specifically designed to bridge the gap between your XLR-equipped audio gear and your SpeakOn speaker cables, making it incredibly versatile for various setups. This 1.8-meter cable is perfect for connecting mixer boards, preamps, and amplifiers to speakers that utilize SpeakOn connectors. It finds its home in high-power applications, including professional stage speakers, stage displays, indoor speakers, and subwoofers. If your setup requires a reliable link from an XLR output to a SpeakOn input, this GELRHONR cable is engineered precisely for that task. A key feature that sets this cable apart is its stable connection. The SpeakOn female connector incorporates an inner latch design, which is crucial for ensuring a secure, uninterrupted audio signal. This design prevents accidental disconnections, a common headache during live performances or critical recordings. Furthermore, it's wired correctly with +1 and -1 designated as positive and negative, ensuring proper phase and signal integrity. When it comes to construction, GELRHONR has not cut corners. This is a heavy-duty cable, featuring a robust 15 AWG pure copper wire. The use of pure copper is vital for excellent conductivity, which translates directly into minimal signal loss and superior sound quality. To further protect your audio signal, the cable includes a double shielding layer inside. This advanced shielding effectively prevents interference and maintains the clarity of your sound, delivering a top-notch audio experience. Durability is also a major highlight. The exterior boasts a premium PVC outer layer, making the cable highly wear-resistant. This means it can withstand the demands of frequent use, coiling and uncoiling, ensuring a long lifespan even in challenging environments. It's built to endure the rigors of professional stage use or any demanding audio setup. For anyone seeking a dependable, high-quality audio extension cable that connects SpeakOn to XLR, the GELRHONR offering is a strong contender. Its robust build, secure connection, and commitment to signal purity make it an excellent choice for ensuring your sound system performs at its best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.